Hi guys, good morning. Ayan po. My baby is still sleeping. So today our mansari. Happy mansari baby. Happy mansari. You still snoring? Huh? Still sleeping pa siya. Mansari again and again.
Happy
so
Mansari. I love you too, baby. You love me.
Of course.
You're just pretending.
What you want?
You're just pretending
Pretending what?
to love me.
No, it's not.
Oh, I thought
You're
it was
crazy.
Oh, I thought it was pretend.
I'm not. Jesus will know I love you, of course. Right, guys? You get me?
I get you.
You okay, sleep? Me early wake up. You want pancake? You want pancake?
Pancake? Yeah, maybe pancake. Yeah.
2 pancake.
True? Can you cook? Sure.
A little.
Oh, I never see you cook.
A little, maybe. Because you're so early wake up, eh. You know our mansari that you wake up early.
I didn't. Yeah. Because you kept waking me up. You kept waking me up.
Why?
Oh,
I just only like this.
yeah,
And then I know you come back to sleep again after I do that. Then after, okay, I know I can hear snoring na. Then later, a few seconds, again and again. Oh my goodness.
because I tried to sleep.
How about your mouthpiece? What happened?
Spit it out.
Did you use last night? Last night?
No, I didn't even bother. Because I knew I would spit it out.
I see. That's why you buy, big mouthpiece, you know. Happy Mansari, baby. Happy Mansari.
Happy Monday. I mean, Mansari.
Today, what day?
Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah, happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, everyone.
It's been, what, 2 years?
Later.
It feels like it. It feels like it.
Even you fart like that, my goodness. Hi.
2
Just
months.
pretending.
2 months only. My God. I gotta get up, baby.
Okay, guys. See you
Coffee.
later.